Hello, today I'm in AUDI Q3. In this video I'll show you how to manage cruise control. In the beginning, take a look behind the steering wheel on the left side. Right here we've got this lever. Pull the lever to activate cruise control. Now, accelerate to desired speed. Press set button to start cruise control. You can now let the acceleration pedal go. Push this lever upwards to increase cruise control speed and downwards to decrease it. To pause cruise control, slightly push the lever forward. To start it over, pull it. To disable it, push to the end. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.